Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna show you how to communication between two LoRa boards. You can see here left hand side, this is transmitter board and other one is receiver board, and I am using it is connecting to the Nuvoton debugger to the laptop, and I am using Nuvoton Microcontroller M2003 and RF LoRa module. So the working principle is like that. When we press the button 1, it sends some packet to the receiver board receive this packet and turn on the LED and set acknowledgement to the RX board. Now I am showing to you. You can see here left hand side is transmitter code and right hand side is receiver code. Now we are going to flash now first for transmitter code. Flash download successfully. Now for receiver side. After code flash, you can see here the LED is on right now. Now we press button 1 and you can see here turn on the LED. Green LED turn on and send acknowledgement to the transmit board. You can see here both green LED is on. Thank you for watching.